I was reading one of my favorite authors' book, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, where he writes about the gap in rural and urban amenities. He says that most public and private employees in India, as in most of the world, means both in India and the world, find rural postings equivalent to a reprimand, with leading doctors and engineering doing their best to remain in cities. Means even if the doctors, engineers, various other employees are there, means the professionals are there, but they refrain from working in rural areas. Not all people, but because in my case I definitely like the rural place a lot, and I want to work in rural areas. Means till now I have worked more in rural areas and less in urban. After that he says, across the world, whether in developing or developed nation, rural areas lag in terms of providing basic amenities with quality and consistency. So when we are thinking about growth and development, we think about the society, the country, the whole world, then the some like difference is there, which not by reading this book, of course, I have administered in my life, that development or the growth is seen more in case of the urban areas and less in case of rural areas. That is why the migration of people is also seen, because I remember when I was a child, the population of Guwahati was not so high, but today so many people have come to this place, and as compared to that, the rural areas, there the scenario is different, and over here in cities the scenario is different, and this has further led to the various environmental problems. The risk of environment is also more in case of the urban areas. I would not say that there is no risk in case of rural areas. Rural areas also face various natural calamities such as the flood and drought, especially, then epidemics also, because the health facility is less in case of rural places.